It has been a thoroughly exhausting few weeks, but we finally have a complete ceiling in the shop. Woohoo! So I'm going to start cleaning, or we already started cleaning up. I'll start cleaning up the shop here a little bit. Try to get a bit of organization done here and get back to working on some cars. The cylinder head is supposed to be coming back later this week for that, hopefully. That's been a real issue to get that right now. Machine shop's been having a lot of issues getting the exhaust seats, plus he got himself hurt and working around that as well. But this car here just got a couple minor adjustments, quick test drive. Should be able to button that up, get it out of here. I got some cars waiting to get in here. And then I'm starting to work on getting ready to install one of the furnaces up there. And once that one's installed and the gas lines running all the way across, then I'll have heat in here to work to be able to do the things necessary to reinforce the ceiling of this so I can actually use this side for storage and then get the other second furnace installed over there. Got a lot of stuff in mind coming up for the future here. Got a couple more projects lined up. Got a Jag coming in soon, as well as another restoration. So look for a bunch more in the future. I got a lot of more things I'm working on behind the scenes.